Are you looking for a budget-friendly 5G smartphone that packs a punch with its features? Look no further. Introducing the OnePlus Nord CE Lite, the latest addition to the OnePlus lineup, offering incredible value without compromising on quality. Stay tuned as we dive deep into its features and find out if it's the right phone for you. Hey, welcome back to Tech Pineapple. Today, we'll be reviewing the OnePlus Nord CE Lite, which has just been released on April 11th. OnePlus has always been a go-to brand for those seeking a balance between price and performance, and the Nord CE Lite is no exception. So, let's take a closer look at this new smartphone and see if it lives up to the hype. Design and build. The OnePlus Nord CE Lite comes with a glass front, plastic frame, and plastic back, making it a lightweight option at 195 grams. It sports a slim profile with dimensions of 165.5 by 76 by 8.3 millimeters. The phone is available in two colors, pastel lime and chromatic gray. Its hybrid dual SIM setup allows you to use two nano SIMs or swap one for a micro SD card. Display. The Nord CE Lite boasts a 6.72-inch IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and better gaming experiences. The screen has a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a 20 by 9 aspect ratio, which translates to a sharp 391 ppi density. Protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, you can expect durability and resistance to scratches. Performance. Under the hood, the Nord CE Lite is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G chipset built on a 6nm process, with an octa-core CPU consisting of 2 by 2.2 GHz Cryo 660 Gold and 6 by 1.7 GHz Cryo 660 Silver cores. This smartphone promises a smooth and efficient performance. The Adreno 619 GPU ensures your gaming and graphics needs are well taken care of. Memory and storage. The Nord CE Lite comes in two variants, 128GB with 8GB RAM and 256GB with 8GB RAM. Both models support micro SD-XC expansion using the shared SIM slot. The phone features UFS 2.2 storage technology for faster read and write speeds. Camera. The main camera setup on the Nord CE Lite features a triple camera array with a 108-megapixel primary sensor, a 2-megapixel macro lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. This combination allows for great photography with sharp details and accurate depth effects. The 16-megapixel selfie camera comes with HDR and panorama features, making your selfies stand out from the crowd. Battery life. OnePlus has packed a 5000 mAh LiPo non-removable battery into the Nord CE Lite, ensuring all-day battery life for most users. The 67-watt wired charging capability means you charge the device up to 80% in just 30 minutes, so you won't be left waiting for long. Conclusion. In conclusion, the OnePlus Nord CE Lite offers an impressive array of features. With its powerful performance, sleek design, and a camera setup that doesn't disappoint, this phone is perfect for those who want a reliable and feature-rich device without breaking the bank. Its 5G capabilities, large battery, and 120Hz display make it a great choice for gamers, content consumers, and everyday users alike. If you enjoyed this review, please give us a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts on the OnePlus Nord CE Lite in the comments section below. Are you considering buying one, or do you have any questions we didn't cover in this video? We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Pineapple for more in-depth reviews and tips on all things gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.